On top inside Edo today, Obaseki na my brother. The katakata wey pipo dey talk na dem dey form am by themselves. Na wetin Oshomole talk be dis, and Oshomole talk dis one wen e receive Governor Godwin Obaseki and im cabinet members as dem come jollificate Eid-el-Kabir with am for im house for Iyamo wey dey Isako West Local Government Area for Edo State. E tell tori pipo after dem don do wetin oyibo dey call closed door meeting wey dem do for 1 hour. Say the meeting wey dem do no be today matter, as him and Wakansi governor dey follow themselves dey talk well well, and say make dem no forget say Obaseki na im brother. National chairman of All Progressives Congress (APC) Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole don yarn am say the katakata wey pipo dey talk say him and Obaseki get na the thought wey dey their own mind, as e be say dis one no dey shele at all. Oshomole talk say the meeting give am better time to take follow im brother yarn better talk, and the pipo wey im don work with, and e pain am for body well well as media dey talk their own to take create katakata for their own pocket. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki talk say dis visit wey im take go greet im former oga Comrade Oshomole no be new thing, as body dey tell am say make im come jollificate Sallah with am, and say the visit na to salute Edo leaders as dem still dey salute former national chairman of APC Chief John Odigye Oyegun wey do im birthday wey never too tey. Obaseki talk say pipo wey think say kwata dey between him and im oga say make dem stop to dey think all dis kind thing, as e no good at all. Na here we see dis ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Adams Aliyu Oshomole don talk say Obaseki na im brother and say any kwata no dey between their two. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge update wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im carry am dey come give una. To dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.